We are going on a tour of the farm of our harvest host.
This is what it's all about, being able to come to farms like this, getting a personal tour.
As we took off toward Austin, things didn't go quite as planned.
Well, we are stuck in traffic. And we're all very hungry. We're like, we're gonna go get lunch, so we barely packed any snacks.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. We're doing it.
Oh.
Would we make it to devour pho before our kids had a complete meltdown? Would Terry Blacks live up to all of the hype? And more importantly, could Casey keep it together until he could get his hands on those long-awaited bikes?
We're gonna go get my bike. This is my bike.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you just did that.
Come along for a day full of good food, real roadblocks, and big family fun you won't want to miss. This is Our Simple Chaos. Good morning! We are going on a tour of the farm of our harvest host. Rowan, are you excited to see animals? Animals! Oh, it's so exciting. Gotta close the door here real fast. Are you cold? Oh, it's a little bit chilly, huh? Yeah, a little bit of a breeze. Hi, puppy. You see the puppies? Hi, puppy. You see the horses? Yes, and they're massive. Here, good job. There you go. Big brother's gonna help. Good job.
His name is Power Train.
Is he not considered a mini? And just walk your way in and keep those goats in, okay?
And the goats are really friendly, so just push them back.
There you go. Good job. Pushing your way in.
Push him to the side. Yep, there you go. Okay, so don't push on his head and then he won't play with you. It's a chicken! Hi, buddy.
Did you just sneeze on me?
Hi.
No, that's him.
You want to pet him, Jed?
No.
Like this, see?
Oh, good
Yeah.
pet. You want to pet him, Rowan?
Yeah.
We're petting a donkey.
Okay,
Oh
he's
my
a very special donkey.
Yeah?
Sorry.
He's been here at the farm since he was less than 24 hours old.
Aww. We've got a little brown dog here.
Oh, so that would be Coco. We are
Coco.
his 9th home.
Coco, come on.
Oh.
And here's the deal about him. He's really small, but he's got so much energy. So people will get him because he's so cute, he's so small, and they put him in an apartment, and they come home and he ate their apartment. So,
Okay, wait, Jet, hang on, we gotta take your shoes off. Okay, they said, or Jeff said this is a Vietnamese miniature potbelly pig, but he's massive. They said this is the smallest pig that they have. And his name is Tofu, and he just roams the grounds.
He loves
Just
the belly
gently.
scratch. Keep
Don't come up from his bum.
your hands away from his bum.
Come up to his head like this. Yep. There you go.
Oh, pig's a rough skin. Oh man, and he's big.
Say hi, piggies.
Oh, that is some tough. Stay away. If you touch his face, he'll bite him. Right.
But bring Rowan over by the shoulder. Do you want to pet him?
Yeah.
Right here.
Don't put him near the butt.
Oh, that feels weird, huh? Jet, you want to give him a pet?
Okay. I want to scratch his belly. He said that if you scratch him and get lower to his belly, then he'll roll over.
Can they scratch his belly?
Yes.
Don't
oh,
touch-
God, yes.
don't
he
touch
loves
his face,
belly
though.
scratch.
He loves belly scratches.
He might flop over, so be careful because when you scratch his belly a lot, he'll flop over because he wants you to do it better. So this is our party barn, and we have all sorts of.
Oh,
so
there he
obviously we
goes.
have the kids that come down.
He's
and they
doing
have
it, look at
lunches
that.
either outside or inside, depending on the weather.
Yes. Oh, look at this playground. It's gorgeous. This is like the perfect farm to do events, and they actually do that. They do events, birthday parties, weddings. I mean, can you imagine doing a wedding here and you just have this playground that the kids can come to and a bounce balloon? I would do a wedding here in a heartbeat.
Heck yeah, this is fun here.
This is so beautiful.
I like hearing the roosters crowing all the time.
Yeah.
And the donkeys braying and whatnot. This is fun.
I would love that. Like buying a property like this. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Having just play equipment you can come out to whenever you want to.
I know, and I love, look, they even just left these big tree branches, didn't clear them out. The kids can climb all over them.
The naked neck chickens look funky.
Yeah, they do. Is there another one over here?
Yeah, that black one by the
Black one. So they have naked neck chickens, which apparently produce eggs 365 days a year, every day a year, which is insane. It's this black one. I don't know how you can see it, but he looks a little funky. Doesn't got no feathers on his neck. Oh, you can get me! Ah! Okay, so what do you think of this farm?
I love it.
Would you want to live on something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be so cool, huh? You guys, this farm is just incredible. I am completely in love. They've just thought of all the things. Oh, I would love to find anything like this. This is what it's all about, being able to come to farms like this, meet amazing people like Jeff. We're getting a personal tour and getting to play on the balloon and the equipment, and our kids getting to play with the animals. I just love it so much. This is one of my favorite things about traveling around to different farms and different communities. It's incredible. So definitely a Harvest Host win. If you're ever in the area, this is a fantastic place to stop and stay. Look at that! You guys have so fun. You found a crab claw! Is that so much fun? Did you find a dinosaur? I know you want that crab claw. A shark! Oh, can brother play with the shark one?
Yes.
Here goes shark.
I don't open that shark.
No, he wants the crab one. Let's see. Is there another crab-like one?
Crab Mandy.
Yeah, you got the crab one.
I don't open the shark.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Jet. Thank you for sharing. Such a good big brother. Need some help? Oh, you let go. See? Boop, 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 boop. Rowan. You liking that?
Hey, relax it.
Good boy.
It's finally time. It's today. We're gonna go get my bike and Chelsea's, but mostly mine.
Can you tell he's excited?
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Then we're gonna go eat pho, like I've been saying, and then we're gonna go to a park because I guess that there are nice parks in Austin or some such thing. Then we're gonna eat at Terry Black's. Then we're gonna be stuffed, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna get honey and eggs and goat milk. Then we'll sleep, and then we'll leave the next day for something else.
So good. All details.
But I'm pumped. It's gonna be so good.
Well, we are stuck in traffic. We were supposed to be there by noon, right?
Yeah.
And it is now 12:30. I think there's just like a major accident. We just had a popo come by.
Why can't we just
missed him.
drive on the side like the police did?
Because only police
Because we're
can
not
do
the
that.
police.
But yeah, we are just,
We've been stuck for about 30 minutes.
yeah, we've been sitting in the same place for almost 30 minutes.
I forgot that in Austin, you have to leave at like 8 a.m. to get somewhere by noon. This is insane.
And even because we're looking at the routes and we're like, okay, let's get off on a frontage road, and all of the side roads, like everything is just blocked because this is a major freeway, the I-35. So, and we're all very hungry. We're like, we're gonna go get lunch, so we barely packed any snacks.
Dude, I'm not even sure if we'll get to lunch before dinner time.
I know.
Well, because we were thinking to get pho and then get the bikes because we're hungry, so we switched them. But now if we get pho and then try to get to the bikes, I think that'll probably take us until dinner time, and then it'll take us until next week to get over to Terry Black's.
Next week.
So, like, trying to go to 3 places in Austin in one day, maybe a bad plan.
Maybe a bad plan. Well, and we did the farm tour this morning too, so a little bit of movement. I've seen pretty consistent movement on the frontage road here for a minute though, so. Oh, I see lights just up ahead, so maybe we're right up to it. I shall see. Got movement on the frontage road. That's good. Yeah, see, frontage road is moving. I bet you they're clearing that out and then they're gonna redirect everybody onto that. Okay, we are still stuck in traffic, but we just saw a police officer with a crime scenes investigation truck go by. I don't know if I've ever seen that at an accident.
I haven't.
So
Maybe it was real bad and they're like putting a lot of blame on the bad guy.
I don't know. Either that or that's a normal thing and we are just uneducated.
I got into an accident. I didn't have crime scene investigation.
Crime
show
scene
up.
investigation? It must be a pretty bad one then. Oh,
Maybe
man.
that was just traffic road rage, you know?
Yeah. We have been moving a little bit though, but it is now 1 o'clock. And we're still, what does it say? It says we're like 5 miles from our place.
Yeah, no, 12 miles away.
12
but
miles.
17 minutes. We've been sitting in traffic for 40 minutes. 40 minutes! Austin, why would you do this to me?
There's a car that's going on the grass over here. Can you see it? Oh, they made it. They made it. Okay, look. So people have gone here, but we're going to go here to get on it. We have to drive over some grass. Where's the... Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. We're doing it. We've been in traffic for almost an hour. There's a pothole right here. Whoa! Okay, we're merging onto this over here. Look, they've even got traffic lights out there. They're trying to get everybody off on this one anyway. Oh man. Okay, this is a decent downsize. We're gonna scrape here. Oh. It's alright. It's alright. That was probably our bike trailer.
No, that just scared me. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. But we did it. Okay, now what do we do?
Bye, everyone.
I think we gotta go straight.
Okay, hang on. If we just follow the frontage road, will that get us there? Oh my word. We could probably turn left because it's on the left side of the freeway, right? And then just follow the roads. These frontage roads are blocked. That's always blocked. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get some behind it. Oh, there it is. Look at all those lights. Oh, you can't see it on the camera.
Well, I saw it.
There's tons of lights there, man. That's gotta be a huge accident.
Somebody probably died.
Man, that's awful.
That's the only reason they'd have to bring in criminal
I
investigation.
know, that's so sad. Also, this pho shop closes from 2:30 to 4:30. So we're gonna get there at 1:40, hopefully.
We are cruising now.
I'm glad we took that
Yeah.
thing off. I just wanted to check the bottom of the car. That did hit pretty good, so we were pretty low riding. Probably be okay though, right?
The truck would have done better.
Truck definitely would have done better, for sure.
Well, here's downtown Austin, right on. Oh, Round Rock, downtown.
Downtown Round Rock. All right, we finally made it. Finally. Oh, there's reserved parking.
We're not handicapped
There it
right now.
is. Fifondue. Oh my goodness. I said fifon.
How do we
It's
even
fun.
do
Look
this?
over there. There's parking over there.
Parking over there. Okay.
We were originally supposed to get here at noon. It is now 1:45. A whole hour and 45 minutes later, we have finally made it to the restaurant. So we are very excited and very hungry. You guys all ready for some food?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
All things considered, we did pretty well. I am very glad that I grabbed the tablets before we left, though. That was
Just do the
pretty
strawberry.
lifesaver. All right, this is a pho restaurant that our Vietnamese friends recommended. So we are really excited to try this. There's the cool pink Tesla. Go. We've got 7 in all, but yeah.
Well, we should sit here.
Thank you so much.
He won that for the kids.
Careful. Okay, Mom's gonna dish it out. Okay, hold on. What do you guys think of the pho?
I like it.
Yeah? So good.
I didn't try it.
So good.
Janice is still better.
Gianni, yours is still better. Yeah, you tell them. You want a bite? Nope.
But can you put some more noodles into mine?
Yeah, let's keep that.
Here, Sissy, I've got noodles here. What do you think of your pho?
My pie.
What do you think of your pho, Papa?
Yeah, it's dang good. Still, homemade is better, and probably specifically by Jenny. But this is tasty. The
It's so good.
bone broth was a bit richer when it was homemade.
Yeah.
But other than that, everything's roughly the same. You know, it's so
Beautiful, fresh, so good.
Hey, Papa.
We finished up the pho and it was so good. And now we are here getting the bikes, and Papa is overly excited.
I'm wetting my pants, man.
Serious?
Cannot wait. Oh, wow. These are electric bikes.
That looks like electrics, but it's working.
Yeah, these are all, this is a really high quality store. Oh, there's little bikes. Wow, that is a lot. Are these them?
That's them.
Woo!
Wait, why did we get 3?
There we go.
Oh, they look beautiful.
I want to bite.
Do I get the
Yep, you get the white one.
adjusting seat too, or just you?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's got a dropper on it, yeah.
Both of them do?
Yep.
So this is yours and this is Mama's?
Yep. This one's called the Rocky Mountain Slayer. And then this is the tall boy. Noah?
Noah for you. I'll grab
It's $4.99. Mom.
Whoa! Ruin! Look, this bike is like perfect for him. I didn't think he'd be ready for a 12-inch, but he totally is. The seat's just like leaning back.
Noah?
All right, the kids were getting a little anxious in the bike store, so we came over to this Dungeons and Fantasy store to take a look at it. Look at these. Look, you see the pops? Hello. Whoa. Do you see Wonder Woman? And her shield. Oh, wow. Are there any cards that you're looking for? There's comics.
Discount comics?
Yep. Oh, look over here. Rowan. Jet. Look, there's Thor's hammer. You see that? Whoa.
Good.
Thor. Here I go. Thor.
Good.
Yeah, Thor's hammer.
Good.
Yeah. All right, here's the place where we need to be. Non-breakable stuff.
You want this, Jet?
Look, we got avocado.
Mom, it's a money holder.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you can take this off and then
Did you find a dragon? Oh, look at the dragons.
finally Pokemon.
Oh, it is pho. Or something. What is it?
I like this.
It does look like what? Oh, it's ramen.
Sushi in it.
It's ramen.
Hey, Mama, can I show you the place now?
They've got a kid.
Live cats
Come here, Jet.
in a store.
Jet, you want to see the kitties?
Nothing like. Me too.
No, come around the other
they were
side.
dead.
Jet, come around the other side. Or that works, I guess. Okay. Gotta see lots of animals today, huh?
Yes. Yes, lots and lots of them.
You see the kitties?
Wow. That man looks. Thomas, look, there are real life cats here.
They've got like.
Sure. Yes, they're real. Well, Batman's look too heavy.
Yeah, those are big, huh? And this guy, when you were out walking, it's a cool store. Yoo-hoo! How you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling good.
Well,
This is my life.
oh my gosh, I can't believe you just did that. He said my handles were better than yours.
Why would you say that?
Because he said typically mine are aftermarket and people pay $60 for them.
Oh, right on. Well, I'm going to return my bike.
Well, Noah was incredible at Sun and Ski Sports and Bikes. And where are we at? Austin,
Yeah.
Texas. So if you ever need bike help, he's your man. He was fantastic, answered all of our questions, took extra time with us. So hi Rowan. We've really appreciated them. I got my whole extra parts and I got a fatter seat for my butt because I always need that. Are you ready to go to the park?
No, I'm not back.
No, you don't want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the playground? You want to go to a swing? A slide? Help? You want me to help you? Okay, well hang on just a second. We made it out to this cute little park over here.
Oh, wow, there's spiders.
And the kids got to play there, and but we're gonna walk across the street to Terry Blacks BBQ. We're pretty excited. It's been recommended to us, so we're gonna get our dinner there, and then we'll probably come back and play here for a minute. Oh, Rowan, we're gonna go get food first. Oh, buddy.
But now he's gonna want to stay here for a while.
You know, maybe we should just get... Look at how cute this is. We've got these little tunnels you can go through. All right, Jet, come here. Jet's having a hard time. Do you have the goods?
We got the goods.
Woo, baby.
And we paid for them, man. Whoa.
That's a stud.
Now just take it easy then.
Come here. All right. Okay, hold on.
Here's what we got from Terry Blacks. We ended up getting a pound of brisket and then a half pound of jalapeno cheese sausage, beef ribs, turkey, and pork ribs. Wow, look at all that. Brisket, turkey, beef rib, jalapeno cheese sausage. Where's the pork? There it is, right in here. It's wrapped up in there, baby.
It's gonna be mine.
Well, you're gonna get some of it, mister.
I know.
There we go. Pork ribs, baby. Y'all ready to eat?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this meat. It is just fall apart.
Got the deets we at there. And I got some sides here. I got
Oh my goodness.
coleslaw, potato salad,
I want coleslaw.
um,
And then potato salad.
and green beans.
And
Green beans and what was the other one?
You want some meat?
Green beans and Mexican
Oh,
rice.
you just want mama?
Okay, Manu musste
Try some meat?
Okay.
No? Okay. Oh, Papa wants it. Isn't that
baby.
good? You need some more? That was a tiny bite.
Oh, well, I'll get some more, yeah.
One more.
I accidentally ripped it off the ribs.
Oh,
That's good.
that's a party in my mouth.
Wow.
Good afternoon, too.
Okay. If you like this, I think I finally found the right ribs.
You finally found the right ribs?
Yeah.
Wow.
And marks are good too.
Yeah, marks are good too, huh?
They're the same. This is the only meat
Tita,
that I will try. That I'm excited
vad vill du få? Vill du äta ris?
More bread. Is that what he's wanting? This is so good. Also, we try not to sit in restaurants as much as we can because it is just...
The kids scream like pterodactyls.
They scream like pterodactyls. It gets quite difficult, especially with how little our youngest two are. So our favorite way to eat is to grab food and then come to a park. We can sit at the table. They can be a little bit more loud, a little bit more crazy, and then we can play before and after, and it just makes mealtime when we're out and about so much better. Oh my goodness, I've never had brisket, fall apart brisket like this before. Look at that. It just... Ah! Oh, so good. Okay, how's the coleslaw?
Not their strong point.
Not their strong point.
It's okay. I've had better.
Want to bite?
Oh wow, I'm already full, guys. Pickles are disgusting.
I like that better than most. It's a lot more fresh.
It's so good.
Actually, I really like that. That's really good. Well, we're not even done with our meal, but I'm gonna have to give Terry Blacks a complete 5-star. What do you guys think?
Amazing.
Yep.
Yes, 10 star if it's possible. 10 star.
Some kids are saying 10-star. So if you're going through Austin, hit up Terry Blacks. If you have had brisket that is better than Terry Blacks, let us know in the comments because we love a good brisket. What you guys doing? You having some fun? Are you climbing on the bug? It's finally bigger than you.
A big bug.
It's a big bug, huh? Whoa, that's quite a leap, Mr. Rowan. Can I help you out?
I did big.
Oh. Happy birthday! Okay. Oh, Jet, can you look at Mama? Look at Mama cheese. Say the ants go marching one by one. Hurrah! 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 Guys having fun? Oh wow! That's a big old slide. Alright, let's see it. Wow. You're flying down that. I don't know where Thomas got off to, but I'm sure he's having fun. Look, there's even this, like, you can climb through these holes. And then it's a rock wall that you can climb over, and then there's another playground on the other side of it. How fun. Well, it has been a very long, fun-filled day, and tomorrow is a moving day, so we need to start heading home. It's gonna be dark by the time we get home because the sun's already going down right now. All in all, it was a really great day in Austin, Texas. Well, this has been a very long but fun, fulfilling day. We got bikes, we got pho, and we got Terry Blacks, all things that we've been wanting to do in Austin, and we just did it all in one day.
And a very expensive day.
And a very expensive day. So yeah, what's your guess at how much we spent? I don't even know if I want to guess.
Are you asking me or them? Because I'm not sure I know
Both.
either.
I'm asking you guys, yeah. We'll have to add it up and we'll put the tally in here.
We'll stick
See
it
how
in the
much
comments.
we spent. Oh, well, if you've made it this far along, we're so glad to have you. We love sharing our life and all the adventures we get to do. And consider liking and subscribing. We would love that.
We'd like to see more of you. Let us know in the comments some more fun things you like to do in the Austin area.